2 minutes earlier.
Running? Possibly. Maybe. She said there's possibly a raccoon in there. Oh, there's not though. No, I don't hear a raccoon. Oh, I am too. Okay. All right. Well, actually, I'll check it with them. I'm going to use your computer. I can do it. I just might need a transmitter. You need an 8 car or anything? Okay. Wait. You guys make it to the track at all? A little bit? Disappointed you weren't there. I wanted to. And every single call in the world I got off, so. I know. Started out. Where's your car? There? Oh. Yeah, because I went by and I was like, I don't see him. So as soon as he takes off, get a new car. Just ran away with it. Okay, there you go. I'm not going to drive right now.
Hey, 77, debris clear out of lanes 1 and 2. 427.
Because he's got a reason to believe that you're still under the influence, which I know, but we don't want you driving, so it's okay. But that way, it's just formality, it's just how we operate. Start. Hey, Seattle, trying to take off. 888 Seattle. taking off northbound from the scales at a high rate. Silver passenger car. There's heavy traffic.
Where's the vehicle taking off?
88 Seattle. She's cut over to lane 2. I'm stuck behind the semi here, still northbound.
Vehicle cut off the lane 2 and she's going
Moved over to the HOV lane. Approaching 18 now. Just cut back over, trying to look like she's going to go eastbound on 18.
Proceed DUI.
Verify permission to pursue.
Verify their DUI.
Right, under the vehicle for moment.
Copy. Motor vehicle is a small reported contact.
Verify revised. Pursuit approved.
Still northbound. All lanes of travel, no signals. 100 miles an hour, lane 2, approaching 320, it's 1 mile.
Vehicle northbound.
Control car.
Vehicle all lanes travel, no signals. Approaching 320 within 1 mile, 100 miles an hour. Rams 80 days patrol car 1015.
80 days, so I'm going to call it. 1043 is in the lead, 328 is behind him.
3 approaching 320th. Looks like she might try to ditch over to 320th. Lane 2.
328, so is there permission to fit over recording?
Definitely heavy traffic.
Heavy traffic. She's now, she went past 320th, lane 2, lane 1, back and forth.
I did have permission to fit over recording.
275. Also, how many units are involved in the pursuit? There's 4 of us. I'm kind of hanging back. I'm going to call it. 1043 and 328 are up closest. And speeds were at 90 miles an hour in lane 2. Yeah, whichever unit's primary, if she gets down to the 60 range, go ahead and fit.
328 receive.
304, lane 4, 100 miles an hour.
And for lane 400 miles per hour, vehicle can be pit in the 60 mile per hour range, 1017.
Trailing units up north Seattle that could possibly set up spikes.
1043, I can try and get in position, but she's approaching 270 seconds, so she might exit here.
Lane 4, lane 3, northbound approaching 272nd, 80 miles an hour.
Lane 4 and 3 approaching 272nd, 80 miles per hour, 1017.
Take the exit here, 328, go ahead.
Continuing past 272nd, lane 2, 90 miles an hour.
Passing 272nd, lane 2, 90 miles per hour, 1018.
Kind of stuck in traffic here, approaching the landfill. She moved over to the HOV lane, 80 miles an hour.
Second traffic approaching landfill, lane 2, 80 miles per hour, 1018.
Lane 2, approaching landfill, 90 miles an hour.
Lane 2 approaching Lansdale, 90 miles per hour, 1018.
If we can get it slowed, I'm going to try to slow traffic down, guys. Looks like she's kind of getting stuck, so whatever you can do.
Community front, traffic behind, 1018.
Passing the landfill, all lanes, 90 miles an hour.
Passing Lansdale, leaving all lanes, 90 miles per hour, 1018.
I'll take comms right now. We're in lane 1, about 85 miles per hour. Traffic's moderate.
Lane 185 miles per hour, moderate traffic, straight following 1019.
Unfortunately, just for the walk, she just put her seatbelt on.
Sorry, advice did not put on seatbelt. 1020.
What's 5200 lane 1? About 60.
200, lane 1, 60 miles per hour, 1020.
Hey, so approaching 200, lane 1, 80 miles an hour.
2 minutes earlier.
Continued main line, lane 1, from 200, approaching 188.
Main line crossing 200 now, approaching 188, lane 1, 1021.
Coming up to 188, 90 miles an hour, lane 1.
Approaching 188, 90 miles per hour, lane 1, 1021. Approaching Governor, lane 3, 90 miles per hour, 1026.
Yeah, let's check the variant.
400, 1026.
She looks like a Pacific Islander, probably about 5'7", about 180. I'll be on the ramp from Boeing access with Mike.
552 on the ramp from Boeing access.
405, lane 1, 90 miles an hour.
Passing 405, lane 1, 90 miles per hour. 552 on the ramp from Boeing access with Mike. 1028.
Still using all lanes, north from 405 approaching 599.
Using all lanes approaching 599 and 24.
Yeah, we're not going to fit it like 85.
400, crossing to get at 85.
North from 599, 90 miles an hour, lane 3.
over Honda Civic. Passing by lane 9, range 390 miles per hour, 1024.
10%, where's the spike?
Confrontation is up the ramp from going access with spike.
Okay, let's just remember to back off. He's out there.
382 is not with spike that road.
A mile south of MLK, all lanes.
1 mile south of MLK using all lanes. The subject was a Jerome at no record. There's a Palua Jerome Aona Savannah that has at least one felony warrant.
Received. Approaching 900, all lanes. Back to lane 1 now, may exit.
Approaching 900 all lanes, now lane 1, possibly could exit for 25.
For 900.
North from 0900, 125.
You need to, I'm in the back of the pack, somebody else can call it.
Sorry, I got there. Looks like he's going to be in lane 1 approaching. You guys want to back off. You've got spikes up there. Oh, she's taking ramp, going access.
Equalizers going access, 1026.
I got the spike. Do it, man. Crash out, she crashed out. I got the spike. Just hit it.
Equalizers going access, 1026.
I got the spike. Just hit it. She crashed out.
Vehicle crash on the exit to going access, 1026.
North from the spike.
Vehicle still moving with spike, moving north for spike.
Yeah, I did it. She got headed northbound. Solid. We're doing 75. We're northbound, approaching Rose, lane 2.
Northbound approaching Rose Lane 2, 870
I've had to tell spikes were unsuccessful.
Massachusetts.
One, I don't know if he's going to be able to get the spikes.
82 at the Rose turnaround with spike.
We're on the right or left side.
Come on, approaching Rose, 90 miles an hour.
82's at Rose turnaround with spike, lane 1, approaching Rose, 90 miles per hour, 1026.
Up a little so we get her moved over. CAD losing debris all over the roadway as well, bumpers taken off.
Vehicle losing debris, bumper falling off, 1027.
Yeah, we're getting into some heavier traffic here.
Heavy traffic approaching, 1028.
327. We're going to slow down lane 3 northbound. She struck a couple cars going in between lanes.
Lane 3 slowing down to multiple vehicles, going between lanes, 1028.
327. She's HOV north 5 at Swift.
North, bound from Swift, HOV lane, 1028.
We're past Swift, using lanes 3, 4, and 5 to get around traffic. Traffic's heavy.
Passing Swift lanes 3, 4, and 5 to get around traffic, heavy traffic, 1029.
Yeah, but advise north, because we're going to get lost in this backup here.
North Prison.
328, we're north, past Michigan, lane 3. 400 to the pit.
Crossing Michigan Lane 3. Crossing Michigan Lane 3, 4 just like the pit, 129. Crossing Michigan Lane 3, 4 just like the pit.
Give me your hat!
Stop her. So we have her stop. Listen to him. Behind your back! Yeah, I was looking and I was like, I feel something. I saw that look. Oh,
You okay?
hey, let's move your car and we get this semi out of here. You're going to want to paint it. Oh, okay. Well, we'll get them backed up. I was setting up at Boeing Access. She takes the on-ramp or the off-ramp on-ramp thing. Yeah. So had to jump barrier and freaking only made it to lane 1 and she freaking swerved around it. Man.
Yeah, she was in lane 3 and there's no way I'm throwing those spikes that far. If I had more time, I would have backed down to get into my car.
Yeah. And she was, from what it sounds like, she was in the right lanes the entire time. Oh, yeah, but then from down, like, she was in from, like, 200 up in the right lane. Pretty much for an easy DMOD shift. Yeah.
Jersey South bringing their garbage up here.
They got this from the rest area. So Brian, my sergeant. Yep.
You know who could be it?
John Pierce.
Okay, so they flip-flopped. So John takes
What's that? Yeah, he did. So.